สวัสดีค่ะ my Thai learning BFFs. Welcome back to another lesson on my Thai Passion channel. And in this lesson, we're going to explore how to use Thai polite particles so you can make what you say sound more polite. So if you're ready, let's go and live our Thai passion. First of all, let me tell you what polite particles are. Okay, in Thai language we have little short particles and we've got lots of them. Some can indicate politeness, some can indicate encouragement for someone to do something or not to do something. But the ones that you need to know right now at this beginning stage of your learning is polite particles, okay? Which can be added at the end of sentences or phrases to soften the tone and make everything you say sound more polite, as well as to indicate respect in different social settings. Okay, we have polite particles for female speakers and we have polite particle for male speakers. All right, so if you're ready, let's go and have a look at them now. And here are the polite particles for female speakers. You have two to remember, ladies. One for when you're making a statement, and the second one is when you are asking a question. Okay, so let's have a look at the first one. When you're making a statement, you say it with falling tone. Ka, ka. Again, ka, ka. But when you are asking a question, you say it with high tone. Ka, 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 ka. I'm going to say both of them side by side, so tune your ears in and see if you can tell the difference, okay? So the first one is going to be for when you're making a statement, okay, falling tone, and the second one is going to be for when you are asking a question, high tone, all right? Ka, 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 ka. How did you do? Just need some practice, that's all. Don't worry too much, all right? Because when you put it as part of your sentence, nobody will be able to tell the difference, right? Let's go and have a look at polite particles for male speakers. Okay, so here are the polite particles for male speakers. You also have two to remember, guys. The first one is krap, krap, high tone. Krap, krap. The second one is krap pom, krap pom, krap, high tone, pom, rising tone, pom, krap pom. The word pom is exactly the same word as the personal pronouns pom, meaning I or me for male speakers. Okay? Krap pom, rising tone, pom, krap pom. Another thing to be aware of when with the word krap, you might hear native Thai speakers just say kap, kap, missing out the R sound or the rorua sound altogether and just say kap, kap. But while you're learning, just say krap, it's better. Okay? Krap, krap, or krap pom. Now, let's go and have a look at some sentence examples or ตัวอย่างประโยค Okay, so here are some sentence examples or ตัวอย่างประโยค Remember, ตัวอย่าง means example and ประโยค means sentence. Okay, so in Thai we don't say sentence example but example sentence. Let's have a look at the first sentence or ประโยค สวัสดีค่ะ สวัสดีค่ะ สวัสดี means hello. ค่ะ your polite particle. สวัสดีค่ะ with falling tone ค่ะ yeah สวัสดีค่ะ hello. The second example or sentence is คุณสบายดีไหมคะ คุณสบายดีไหมคะ คุณ means you, remember? สบายดี is an adjective meaning fine or well, and we're using it when we're talking about being fine or being well. Yeah, talking about well-being. สบายดี and then ไหม is a question word. ไหม meaning or not. คุณสบายดีไหม you fine or not, you okay or not, you well or not, yeah? And then the polite particles go at the end. If you're a female speaker, you've got to say ค่ะ high tone, remember ค่ะ คุณสบายดีไหมค่ะ คุณสบายดีไหมคะ yeah คุณสบายดีไหมคะ คุณสบายดีไหมคะ But if you're a male speaker, you can just add ครับ or ครับผม at the end. คุณสบายดีไหมครับ คุณสบายดีไหมครับผม How are you? Or are you fine? Or are you well? Now, let's go and have a look at how we can respond to this question. And here are some more examples for you. When somebody say hello to you, สวัสดี you can respond to them by saying สวัสดี back to them, okay? So if you're a male speaker, you can say สวัสดีครับ สวัสดีครับ or สวัสดีครับผม สวัสดีครับผม or if you're a female speaker, then you say สวัสดีค่ะ สวัสดีค่ะ falling tone, remember, because you're making a statement. สวัสดีค่ะ สวัสดีค่ะ and when somebody asks you คุณสบายดีไหม คุณสบายดีไหม how are you, are you well, are you okay, are you fine, คุณสบายดีไหม you can respond by saying ผมสบายดีครับ ผมสบายดีครับผม okay, so ผม is I for a male speaker, okay? ผมสบายดีครับ or ผมสบายดีครับผม you can say. But if you are a female speaker, then you have to change the personal pronoun ผม to ฉัน ฉันสบายดีค่ะ ฉันสบายดีค่ะ okay? Nice and short for this lesson. However, you have learned how to say hello in Thai, สวัสดี You've learned how to ask someone about their well-being, คุณสบายดีไหม and you learn how to respond to that question ผมสบายดี or ฉันสบายดี if you are a female speaker. Okay, that is it. Until the next time. สวัสดีค่ะ